Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your public profile name in Amazon. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. Initially, what you guys need to do is simply go to Accounts and list the buttons on the nav bar right next to Returns and Orders. Simply click on it. Then you will be redirected to this page. Simply scroll down till you see something like Ordering and Shopping Preferences. In this tab, you'll find this thing called Your Amazon Profile. Simply click on it. And guys, as you can see, this is my Amazon public profile. And right now, what I want to do is simply edit it. I'm gonna click on the button right here. Then I will be redirected to this page. Well, do you note that you can change your public information, that is your bio, occupation and everything from right here, though it's optional. But right now, I'm simply gonna try to change my public name. Right here is the text box. I'm simply gonna enter the text. And once everything's okay, simply scroll down and hit on save. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your Amazon public profile name. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.